By the background, you can see that I am finally back home after 5.5 months, and I'm really relieved because first year, like the first semester and the second semester, went by really quick in a blink of an eye. But I'm really grateful for all the friends I have now, and like had it has really become a home away from home, and I'm really grateful for that. Because when I last year when I was talking about SRM, going to SRM, I was so stressed because I never lived in a hostel or away from my family for more than 2 days. So yeah, so I am almost, like I am in Chennai almost for 1 year, 10 months you can say, so it's almost a year. And it's a really like roller coaster ride for me. But yeah, I have enjoyed a lot, and I'm really grateful for all the people. And first of all, I will be great. I'm really grateful to my parents to trust me and send me there. And yeah, just enjoy the vlog. And this is a very random vlog. Before I was leaving from hostel and campus after completing my second semester NSEM exams. So yeah, NSEM exams was really exhausting. The routine was so bad. Like, exams were continuous, no gap. So yeah, still I vlogged some of it. I hope you enjoy it and like it. Bye. This was the day just before Rajnandini's birthday, and we were all out for buying her birthday cake and some refreshment during exams because we were having continuous exams back to back. So we needed a break from the chaos. We went to a tea spot and had a lot of fun and gossiped a lot. Actually, we trauma dumped about our exams and all. And then we headed back to our hostel. For dinner, we didn't go to mess. Actually, I don't go to mess at all. So I influenced them to have dinner all together for the last time ever in hostel. So yeah, we ordered alfam chicken and enjoyed. It was super tasty.
पेस्ट क्यों लाई ओडोमॉस राजनंदिनी will have ओडोमॉस as gift. नीचे
Then, exactly at 12, we celebrated Rajnandini's birthday. We surprised her with a cake. We couldn't do much for her birthday because exams were going on and it's NSEM. So yeah, his birthday, but we are getting cakes. 1, 2, 3. 3 cakes. Thank you. Thanks to your birthday. Chato.
I am vegetable.
Not your prawn.
दोनों वेज है फक बट मैंने एक चिकन तो इसने वेज कर दिया चिकन की जगह
It's fine. It's fine.
नहीं बट मेरे तो पैसे चिकन के लिए थे ना उसने
Moe. It was Sunday, and on Sundays I deserve something delicious, so I made ramen for myself and continued studying. It looks bland because I don't put the chili oil that much. Mahi, thank you. Yeah. Such a cute gift. Thank you. Gift. Why we will pay?
I know she won't if I tell her, but I don't
Thank
trust you.
you.
You are Data.
Ether, show me your bag. It's so cute. We matching. Yay! Thank you. Where is yours? Shit. Room 311 aesthetic. Because of this person. Yay! So cute. And finally, the chaos of packing and shifting things started.
क्या होता है for shifting coolie-esque.
It was the day just before my German exam, so I was busy studying German because whole year I didn't study anything. Finally done with my German paper, and now I'm heading towards Cream Story. And there's a Cream Story is a dessert shop very famous in the area of SRM because it's just opposite to it, and you get so many good desserts. I love them all, and especially the milk cakes are just yummy. They are number one favorite of mine. So yeah, I just go there very often. It's my go-to place for desserts. It's a little bit costly, but it's okay. Save money and go there. After having two good desserts, and it was a mango season, so yeah, mango special menu. After having those, we headed back to hostel, and then I made my dinner and started studying POE, that is Philosophy of Engineering. So, hi guys, a little update. I'm finally done with almost all of my exams. Only two papers are left, and I don't feel like studying because I have only 3 days in the hostel left, and it's such a bittersweet feeling. But you gotta move on from your initial position. You have to have a change. So, accepting it with my heavy heart that I have to leave my hostel, I have to leave my roommates. I really, really love them. Almost 1 year was truly a memorable one for me. I would have never expected this type of hostel memories in my whole life because my plan was to go for medical, but it totally changed after 2025, and I'm a BTech student now, and I have only 3 days left in the hostel, so I'll have mess food for dinner today because I usually don't have mess food because I don't like their rice, dal, mostly everything I don't like. I just order my dinner or lunch from Masaledar restaurant. If you are from SRM hostel, then you should definitely try Masaledar restaurant's meals that they provide. I order egg thali. You can order whatever you want, but I don't prefer veg thali because my experience with it was not good. But egg thali, it's the best. You get 2 eggs, 4 rotis, rice, dal. It's just perfect for a meal, you can say. Staying in hostel, I can understand that you will hate mess food, especially in South India. I'm not discriminating anything, but as a Bengali, I definitely don't like the food of our mess from the starting only. First few days it will be very nice, but then it just degrades. So for the survival kit, I am giving you this option. If you are from SRM hostel, then you should definitely try this meal system. They are really, really nice. Being a hostler, you should have proper one meal, even if you don't have breakfast and all snacks, but you should have a proper meal. So yeah, you can follow this. I followed this. I didn't go to mess regularly. I know my money is wasted. The money my father has given for the mess, it's wasted, and I'm really, really sorry to my parents, but yeah, health is priority. Okay, so today I will have dinner for sure because the paneer, the only thing I like is the paneer. It's not that fresh, but it's fine. So yeah, let's go and have paneer for dinner. No buying food for today. And yeah, I will be having my POE exams and I will be having my PPS exams and I will be done. And after giving PPS exams, I will shift to my PG. Like, I will keep the things to my PG and back to hostel, and then I'll spend one night in my hostel room. It's so hard to say this, but I really loved my hostel memories. Actually, the thing is, more than college campus memories, I have hostel memories. So yeah, you get it. If you are coming to hostel, you will be very lucky, and you will be more luckier if you have a very good roommate. Just remember, in first year, enjoy and study. That's it. Like, don't take everything seriously. After yapping a lot, I went for snack, and in snack we got cake. I expected them to give veg puff because it was Wednesday, but they gave cake. It's fine. Everybody is shifting, and I have 2 more papers to give, and I don't feel like studying. I don't know whether I'll pass or not in these 2 papers because I don't feel like studying at all, and I have so much to pack because I have to shift my things to PG and then come back again to hostel to stay one night for like going back, returning back to home. I don't know how I will manage this all by myself, but Anushka Roy can do anything. मेरे को कोई जोर से चाटा मारो. Hi Anushka, you have 2 more papers. They're not even 0 credits. So much to study. Oh my god. On my way to eat the last paneer of. Although I hated this place at first, but now when the final days are coming, it feels heavy to leave this place and like leave everyone from here and finally move on to the next step. Finally got our iron success after how many days? Oh god, I missed it so much. Whole semester gone and they're giving it now. You are so. Oh. 3, 2, 1, signing off. The day finally arrived when 2 of my roommates left for home because their exams were over before us. Hello guys, life update. So my mattress is sold and now I'm sleeping on like let me show you. This looks actually so sad. I don't know why. Everything is empty. Oh my god. And I have shifted to Roshni's bed and I don't have a mattress at all and my back is paining. Only one exam left. That's the only hope I'm keeping. So yeah, I have shifted here from the upper bunk. It's so sad. I just want to go home. I don't feel good. I'm not at all feeling good. Like, it feels so empty, sad at the same time. I don't know. And it will be so hard to leave our last roommate. That is Ethel. Had the last snacks with these people. It was so heartbreaking that we won't sit together in this mess at all anymore. Ethel gave us love bite.
I look homeless. Everyone is 311.
And it was time for my 2 roommates to leave. One roommate left in the morning and now another roommate was leaving, and yeah, it was like such a bittersweet feeling. I was about to control my feelings, not to cry. I promised myself that I'll not show any emotions, but I just couldn't. I just broke down in front of them. It was really, really sad to finally say goodbye to our roommates and 311. Finally, I'm done with my exams, and it was a long exam week. Continuous exams, continuous theory exams. I'm just so exhausted. But let's not take any rest now. I have to shift my things to PG and again come back to hostel because I'll stay one night in the hostel before I finally leave for airport. Let's do this. I don't have the energy to do to pack my things for home and for PG, but nobody is there for me to do. Independent girl check. I packed all my stuffs in cardboard boxes and all the boxes I had, and finally left for my PG to shift my things and come back to hostel for the last time. Finally, I have done shifting, and now I have to pack for my home, and it's so exhausting. The shifting part of the PG was more exhausting, and this will be like chill because most of the things are shifted to PG. I just have to take my dresses and all. And we are done with first year. Friday's snacks in hostel is literally my favorite. I love eating these. So I took the final snacks of my hostel life and video called mom and gave my last attendance with Ethel. I planned to surprise Ethel. Let's see. I brought her favorite Alfan chicken. Why are you?
No,
What the fuck? We will eat in mess. This is our mess food. We are sleeping together. Thanks, Ethel. No, I'm straight. Oh my god, who is beside me? Yeah, we are sleeping together, guys. Yes. Nothing is happening. We are straight. No, I'm not. What the fuck? You know what? Ghar ki loudspeaker is back when the room looks like this. Oh my god, how will I clean it up? Hi guys, I'm finally back home and I already miss Chennai's airport because I have already finished 2 of the donuts in less than 24 hours. What the F happened to my New Year's resolution? Because the first resolution I have written that stop consuming sugar. I'm consuming sugar since then. Every day. I don't know, I should not make any resolution. I'm finally back home for 2 months and I really don't know what to do. I'll try to plan out things so that I can utilize this time as well and also have fun because these 5 months of second semester was hell of a ride. It was very happening. I enjoyed a lot with my friends, but it was tiring and exhausting at the same time. So yeah, I'm finally back home. I like the dogs have to bark whenever I have to shoot something. Yeah. So this was the whole vlog of me coming back to home. Like, I want to capture all the moments before I leave the hostel. So yeah, I did this vlog because it was my last year in hostel. Like, it was my first and last year of my hostel. I will miss them so much because I had the best memories here. And it's kind of very heartbreaking for me because they have become like a part of my life, you can say, because when my parents were not there around me, they were. So yeah, I'm very grateful and thankful to you all. And I just can't imagine that last June, July, I was speaking about something else and now I'm speaking about something else. I'm so grateful. No nazar please. Let's see what all I can do in Kolkata with my friends and family. There are so much planned things now. Let's see. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you want to see more of my contents, and yeah, you can subscribe, and I'll really try to make more videos about college and lifestyle and daily vlogs maybe. So yeah, bye.